we studied now what we learnt in 7th standard. Then we have relate that to what we have learnt in 9th standard. Now let us see what we learnt in 8th standard. 8th standard also, if you remember, we have learnt about the coordinate geometry. What we did there in 8th standard, we have learnt how to plot the graph in XY plane, how to draw a graph in XY plane, how to plot points in XY plane. What is meant by quadrant? Let us see. For that, we have drawn two axes. One is x-axis, which is the horizontal line, and one is y-axis, which is the vertical line. When x-axis and y-axis intersect each other at point O, which is called as origin, the plane is divided into 4 quadrants. If you start in anti-clockwise direction, this is the first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Now let us see what is the sign of the coordinates in different quadrants. First quadrant, if you see, x coordinate is positive as well as the y coordinate is positive. Therefore, both the coordinates in first quadrant are positive. In the second quadrant, x coordinate is negative and the y coordinate is positive. Therefore, x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. In the third quadrant, x is negative and y is also negative. Therefore, both the coordinates are negative. In the fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. Therefore, x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. Now, if the point is on x-axis, then its y coordinate is always 0. Remember this. And when the point is on y-axis, its x coordinate is always 0. Remember this. Therefore, what we conclude? In the first quadrant, both coordinates are positive. In the third quadrant, both coordinates are negative. In the second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. And in the fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. So, from this, we have learnt about the signs of the coordinates in different quadrants. Then, after that, we have learnt about the plotting of the points. For example, if you want to plot the point which has the coordinate 2, 1, what does it mean 2, 1? The first coordinate always we write x coordinate, and the second coordinate of any point is always a y coordinate. Okay. Therefore, when we say the coordinate and the point has the coordinate 2, 1, means its x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 1. Therefore, we plot this point in the first quadrant because both the coordinates are positive. If we consider negative 2 and 1 as a point Q, then here x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. So, where does the point lie? Yes, correct. The point will be in the second quadrant. Now, if we consider point R as both the coordinates negative, negative 2 and negative 1, then where does the point lie? Yes, it is in the third quadrant. And if we consider the point S with x coordinate as 2 and the y coordinate as -1, where does the point lie? Yes, very good. It is in the fourth quadrant. So, have you understood how to plot the point in the coordinate system?